Hello Python programmers, once again welcome back to another video in Python tutorials with Arshad. In our previous video we had solved this third question. We had seen how to print prime numbers in a particular range. Now in this video we will solve this fourth question. Now the question here is calculating factorial of a number and display the factorial value. Now according to question we need to find factorial of a number. While discussing about recursive function, we had seen how to find factorial of a number using recursion, and also while discussing about modules, we had seen how to find factorial of a number using math module. Now in this video we will see how to find factorial of a number using for loop. So it's time to open our Visual Studio Code. I am creating here a new Python file named as tube20.py. Okay, now we will see how to find factorial of a number. Before getting started, first we need to know what is factorial. We had already seen that in our previous videos. But once again, I will quickly revise you what is factorial of a number. The factorial value of a number is nothing but product of all integers from 1 to that number. For example, factorial of 5 is nothing but product of all integers from 1 to 5. So we can say that factorial of 5 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, which is nothing but 120. Similarly, factorial of 4 is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Now we will see how to do this using for loop. Now first I am declaring here a variable named num which will take input from user in integer format. And now I am here providing text as enter a number to find factorial value. For understanding purpose, just consider now the value of num is 4. So here we need to find factorial of 4. Just now I told that factorial of 4 is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Now how can we do that? So for performing multiplication of integers from 1 to 4, we need to iterate over integers from 1 to 4. So for iteration, I am going to use for loop here. So I am just saying that for I in range 1 comma num plus 1. So now we are considering the value of num as 4. So here this range function will start from 1 and it will end at 4 because we are adding plus 1 here. Okay, we all know this thing. Now I am using colon for indentation. Now here we need to multiply the value of I one by one. So initially I am declaring here a variable named result. Initially the value of this result will be 1. Now here I am going to multiply the value of I one by one to this result variable. That's all, our problem has been solved. Now you can see here if the given number is 4, then for first iteration the value of I will be 1. So initially the value of this result is 1. So 1 into 1 will become 1 and this 1 will be assigned to this result variable. For second iteration the value of result will be 1 and I will be 2. So 1 into 2 will become 2 and the 2 will be assigned to the result variable. And for next iteration the value of I will become 3. So 2 into 3 will become 6 and the 6 will be assigned to this result variable. In next iteration the value of result will become 6 and I will become 4 finally. So 6 into 4 will become 24 and the 24 will be assigned to this result variable. Finally 24 is the factorial value of 4. Now finally it's time to print our result variable. Okay, now I am running this program. Now I am giving number as 4. Now you can see here I have got output as 24. Once again I am running this program. Now we will try for 5. Now you can see here I have got output as 120. That's all, our problem has been solved. In few lines of code we had seen how to find factorial of number. But you may have a silly doubt here. While discussing about prime numbers and Armstrong numbers, we had declared a variable and initially the value of the variable was 0. We can see here while discussing about prime numbers, initially the value of sum is 0. While discussing about Armstrong number, initially the value of this Armstrong variable is 0. But in case of factorial, initially we are declaring the value of result as 1. The reason behind this is if we declare the value of result as 0, then if we perform multiplication on result variable, the answer will be always 0 because 0 into anything will be always 0. So instead of using 0, we will use 1 while performing multiplications. In this case, you can see here we are performing addition. In case of prime numbers also you can see here we are performing addition. In case of factorial we need multiplication. Then the value inside this result variable will be always 0. So we are using 1 here. Okay guys, this is silly thing. You can understand all these things on your own. let it be. Before ending this video, I want to give you some tasks. So the first task for you is, in our 18th tutorial we had seen how to find whether a given number is Armstrong number or not. Now the task here for you is, write a Python program which will print all Armstrong numbers present in between 1 to 1000. I am repeating once again. Now the task here for you is, write a Python program which will print Armstrong numbers present in between 1 to 1000. Now I will give you a hint to do this. Now here we need to find Armstrong numbers from 1 to 1000. So here we need to iterate over all numbers present in between 1 to 1000. So for that we can use a for loop which can iterate over 1 to 1000, and inside that for loop we can place this while loop. While iterating over each and every digit, if the value of this Armstrong is equal to that digit, then you can simply print the value of that digit. Now I had told you how to do this also. Now you can do this easily. And the second task for you is, you need to write a Python program which will find whether the given number is prime number or not. We had seen how to print prime numbers in a particular range. Now the task here for you is, you need to write a Python program which will find whether given number is prime number or not. I hope you can do this on your own. After completion of these two tasks, then comment out the source code. And finally, if you like this video series of Python tutorials with Arshad, then share this video series to your friends also. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Arshad. Thank you for watching till end. I will see you next time with another amazing video. Take care. Bye bye.